Well, two things happened today. Yeah. So for now on, I'm gonna be driving my minivan, and this is something that I want to talk to you guys about. So I'm gonna be selling my truck, and I already have someone that is gonna buy it, and it's kind of sad, man. It's kind of sad that I'm gonna sell my truck. So the reason why I want to sell my truck is I want to get a diesel truck. That's the only reason why I want to sell this truck. I already met like 3 guys today, and it is crazy because all of them offer me like a low price, but the last guy that I met today, he offered me a good price, a decent price, I would say. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take this guy offer, and I'm gonna move on. And that's what I did. And we're gonna do the paperwork on Tuesday, and this truck is not gonna be under my name anymore. I know it's kind of sad for me because I bought this truck for a reason, and the only reason why I bought this truck, it was to make a project. That was the only reason why I bought it. But I was like, you know, I want to get a diesel. I want to get a diesel because you can do a lot of things to a diesel, and you can get more horsepower from a diesel truck. I mean, there are a couple of things that I had to fix, and you know, like yeah, that's kind of mess it up. But everything that I did to the truck, the tint, the decals, yeah, the mirrors. To be honest, I'm gonna miss this truck. It is a V6, and a couple people told me that why I didn't go with the V8. You know, it was like between this truck or a V8. I was thinking about it. You know, what I can do is modify this truck and see if I can get more money out of this truck if I modify it. And that's what I did. I'm gonna get a $500 profit out of this truck. There are a couple kids that you know, they love the truck, and they were offering me, you know, a lot of money for this, and they love it. And it is sad, guys. It is so sad for me because, like I say, I bought it for a reason, as a project, but now it's gonna be gone, and everything that I did to the truck, wasted. It's gonna go down the drain, you know. But it is what it is. I want to move on to something like really fun. I really gonna enjoy driving every day, and I cannot wait. Like I said, so we're gonna be talking about the Subaru, as you guys can see. I mean, on Sunday I'm gonna be removing the stickers, you know, my YouTube channel and my you know, my Snapchat channel, my Snapchat decal. So what I want to talk about was about the Subaru. And yes, as you guys can see, I have my my air intake over here. I'm gonna post it on Facebook and see if someone wants to buy it, because posted on Snapchat and a couple people text me and they want to buy it. But well, let me explain why these people didn't want to buy it. Well, obvious reasons. Yeah, man, it is so sad to see my car just sitting around over here, not driving it. It is so sad. Oh my god, man, I miss driving this car. Couple people didn't want to buy my air intake for this reason. They wanted to buy it, but they were going to install this air intake in their cars and without a tune. This is what is gonna happen if you install this air intake on your car. If you run this air intake in your car without a tune, you're gonna mess it up with the engine, because the engine is used to, you know, to get the airflow that the company tunes the car for. And with this, you see how big this is? You're gonna get more airflow to your engine, and that's why you need a tune for your car. It's not something that you guys are gonna throw to your car and you're gonna be fine. No, you need the access port. the access port is gonna, it comes with the tune already, but that tune is gonna help you out to get to the dyno. That's where you're gonna get a tune, a real tune for this air intake. And that's what a lot of people don't realize, that you need a tune for your air intake and for your downpipe. I don't know. They don't know about it. They just buy the car and they think, okay, I can throw anything to the car and it's gonna be fine. No, you gotta get a tune for your car, and that's how it works. Yeah, let's talk about the Subaru. My Subaru is messed up, to be honest. So it has rat knock. Rat knock is it is something about the piston, and around the piston you have a ring, and that ring, when it breaks or snaps, there's gonna be oil getting through the piston. The gasoline is gonna get mixed up with the oil, and what did that cause? A lot of problems to the car. And that's what happened to my Subaru. One day I was driving to work, like I said in my last video. I was going up the hill. I was driving normal. I was giving some gas, and from the sudden it lost power. And I was like, okay, that's not good. When I got to my job and I parked my car, and it shut off on me, and it fired back up. It was having some troubles to keep the RPMs, you know, the RPMs in a stable level. And that's, ooh, that is a nice Subaru, man. That Rumble, is that a STI, man? Cool, man. It was having some issues to keep the RPMs like in a normal, you know, level. So it was going up and down, up and down, and up and down. You can see smoke coming out of the exhaust, and that's something that you guys don't want to see. And yeah, it was really bad. And what I did is I called one of my friends. He has a truck, and what we did is we had to tow the car to my house. And it was like 12 o'clock when that happened, when my friend came to pick me up, and I got home. It was like 1 in the morning when I got home. It was really dark, but we made it, and here she is. I miss driving this car, to be honest, but it is what it is. And yeah, one day I'm gonna get it fixed, and it's gonna be back 100% running, and hopefully I'm gonna cross my fingers without any issues. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna sell my truck on Tuesday. You guys are not gonna see that truck anymore, and it is sad. It is so sad, guys, but hey, it is what it is.